Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today we're going to be checking out the Rode Wireless Pro microphone system. It has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, so it's ideal for shooting video on your own or if you have a guest. We're going to be testing out the product in various locations throughout Melbourne, but before we do that, let's go back and unbox the product and see what you get with your purchase. Now, in terms of the capability of this system, it is a pro-grade microphone, so you get the highest quality audio fidelity, but you also get some other features which will ensure that you don't make any mistakes during your recording. You get onboard 32-bit float audio, up to 32 gigabytes of recording capacity. You also have timecode sync if you prefer to sync your audio in post-production using timecode, which is a professional feature. You can sync the traditional way of just aligning the audio on the timeline, which is the way I often sync my audio. And it also has auto gain capabilities. So rather than setting it to manual or using the camera's auto gain setting, you get a far superior result with the built-in auto gain feature. So before we go and check all those features out and do the demonstrations, we are going to unbox the product and take a look at what you get with your purchase. When you open the box, you'll see the 2 protective cases, which include the microphones in one and accessories in the other. There's a USB-C Type 3 cable for charging. You can connect this into a USB power supply or a computer to charge the case. The cases have a premium feel to them made of durable textured rubber. One of the cases contains the transmitters and receiver units, and the other has all of the accessories. The main case can store more than 2 full recharges for the whole system, including 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, which are all capable of up to 7 hours of use when fully charged. Let's take a look at the receiver unit first. As you would expect, if you have used any of the Rode wireless mics before, it has the signature square design. The O from the logo has made it into the design, which I think looks great, and the high gloss black plastic has a premium look and feel to it. On the front, you'll see the color display with mic level and battery indicators, and there's an audio output for connecting to any device equipped with a 3.5 input jack. Let's take a look at the transmitters next. These look almost identical, same size and shape, and also include the signature Rode logo element. There's small LED indicators at the front to tell you when they are connected and when they're recording. And at the top, you'll see the microphone in the middle, a 3.5 input for connecting one of the provided lav mics, and a record button for when you want to use the onboard recording. By default, the Wireless Pro will be in merge mode. To switch between merge and split mode, press and hold both the left and right navigation buttons at the same time to enter the routing menu. Here you can cycle through the available modes by short pressing the left navigation button and then select your desired mode with the right navigation button. Rather than using these buttons, you can access all of the settings of the Rode Wireless Pro via the free Rode Central app, which you can download for desktop, Mac and Windows, and also iOS and Android. There are a whole range of accessories, including the 2 Rode lavalier microphones, which include locking connectors. This allows you to securely attach your microphone so that it can't be accidentally unplugged while in use. There are 2 pop shields and 4 furry shields, 2 for the transmitter unit and 2 for the lavalier mics, which will help reduce wind noise. You also get 2 magnetic clips for attaching the microphones to metallic surfaces, and there's a mini USB-C to USB cable and a USB-C to Lightning cable for connecting the microphones to any devices. And finally, you also get a Rode TRS to TRS cable for connecting your receiver to your camera or audio recording device of choice. We're here in the beautiful city of Melbourne for our first of the on-location demonstrations. We're just outside the atrium of Federation Square. I'm talking directly into the built-in microphone of the Rode Wireless Pro, and this is what the audio sounds like. I've got the audio level set to -9 dB using the manual setting, and we're recording with my Canon EOS R50, which is about 5 or 6 meters away from me right now. We're now in one of Melbourne's iconic laneways, AC/DC lane. I've set the audio recording to the auto mode, which levels out the audio based on the amount of noise versus vocal signal. and this should provide you with perfect audio at all times. I've also attached one of the furry windshields on top of the microphone to minimize any wind noise going into the microphone. Another great feature of the Rode Wireless Pro microphone system is the timecode sync, which allows you to synchronize your audio in post-production using your video editor. So rather than trying to align your audio on the timeline, you can have your audio aligned to perfection using timecode synchronization. We're now outside in Queen Victoria Gardens, just at the base of the Art Centre in the centre of Melbourne, and we're doing one of the outdoor tests. Now, this product has an incredible range of 260 metres, which I think is more than you'll ever need whether you're shooting indoors or outside. I was standing back as far as 50 metres earlier on, so that'll give you a sense of what the audio sounds like at around 50 metres. I did test it earlier all the way back to 100 metres, and it was still pristine quality audio with no interference whatsoever. When you're shooting outdoors, it's always a good idea to attach one of the provided furry windshields, which I have sitting right here on the transmitter unit, and that ensures that you don't get any interference from the wind or any other noises creeping into the microphone. We're now at Centre Place, Melbourne, stopping for a break, having a coffee, and we've attached the lavalier microphone to one of the transmitter units so that you can hear what it sounds like using one of these provided microphones. The benefit is that it's a bit more discreet than using the large transmitter units, and also you'll notice that it does a great job of isolating the vocal from all of the environmental noise when filming in such a location. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Rode Wireless Pro microphone. If you did, feel free to hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you'd like to purchase, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description box below where you can purchase one of these or any other of the amazing products in the Rode catalog. See you on the next one. Bye for now.